family, it's Faith Day. Today I want to talk about how God leads. Psalm 32:8 tells us he will instruct and teach us in the way we should go. And we have many examples of how God led other people throughout the Bible. Beginning with Abraham, he led him from a toxic family to establish nations of righteous people. The children of Israel from slavery through the wilderness to a place of wealth and prosperity. He led Joseph from danger to discovering his true destiny. He led David from being dismissed to being the defender of Israel. He led Esther from being an orphan to owning everything, and she became a queen. Whatever it is that you're seeking to accomplish, you can only do it being led by God. He led people from depression, from anxiety, from pain and persecution to a place of prominence. When you follow the life of the apostles, God can lead you through whatever it is you are going through. Even a broken-hearted, contrite heart, he will lead you out of that. God will establish you in victory. He will lead you in spiritual warfare as he trains even your hands for war. You need to walk with God. Your faith to be able to move forward needs to follow God. Lean on God and not on your own understanding, and he will lead you to the place that you're supposed to be. God bless you. Keep moving forward. With God, you will always win.